hold you again. Till once more you're close to me, as close as we can be. I'll be longing to hold you again. I'll be